Hey everyone, this is Paul from Ortho Eval. Pal, I want to show you today how to put on a lace-up brace. Now we get this question all the time, how to put it on appropriately, or maybe somebody saw their family provider and they said you need to get yourself a lace-up brace. They get that brace maybe for a sprained ankle or something, and they really don't know how to put it on well. And so this is a very popular brace. A lot of people wear braces prophylactically to prevent ankle sprains, and some people will wear them while they're recovering from ankle sprains to get back to activity again. So one of the things we want to make sure that we do is get the brace on and sized appropriately, okay? So we're going to put this one on just like this, and there's a little tongue right here. We pull that through. We put that tongue nice and smooth over the top of the foot just to absorb those laces. Make sure you smooth that right out. Then we're going to, some braces will have these extra straps that come with it, okay, and I really like those. They really give you a lot of extra support, so we just leave those for now. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start lacing up the brace from the bottom up, making sure that the laces are nice and tight. Some braces have what we call speed laces, which means you can quickly go around the loops here and put the brace on pretty quickly, or if you need to make an adjustment during a sport, all you have to do is just take the straps off, relace it really quickly, and then tie it back on, and you're ready to go. Unlike a tape job that needs to be retaped and cut off and put on and whatnot. So we get the laces on nice and tight. Then you have these straps, and what you do is you take one of the straps, come over the top, under the foot, and up the side on the Velcro, and you'll see we'll do the same thing with this one. So we're basically crisscrossing over the top, underneath the arch, and then up the side. Now once both of them are in place like that and they're crisscrossed and set nicely, what you do is you put your fingers through these little loops here, pop them off, and snug it up. And what that does is it just takes that figure eight and just tightens it up a little bit more. So now you have a lace-up brace that is on and going to prevent an inversion or eversion ankle sprain and give you a lot of support while still allowing the foot to go up and down so that you can continue to perform your sports really well. Hope you enjoyed today's video on how to put on a lace-up brace. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. Thanks.